no child should endure the inhuman treatment and harmful conditions Palestinian children, which we have been witnessing here, have suffered over the past 2 years. Their physical and psychological well-being continues to be violated at an unacceptable scale. Palestinian children have the right to be protected, underline that, under international humanitarian law and human rights law. When these obligations are breached, it is our collective duty, especially as state parties to the Geneva Convention and Convention of the Rights of the Child, to demand accountability and respect for the law. And I say otherwise, and it's pretty fair to say that we, the international system, if we are not doing that, we are failing. We are failing heavily.